So I'm going to walk you through a workout that I would do when I'm trying to lean out my arms. One, the key is high reps. So it doesn't mean, so I know that everybody says high reps, low weight. Don't go for a low weight. Go for high reps and the most amount of weight that you can do reaching those reps. So for example, when I'm trying to lean out my arms, I go for 15 to 20 reps. That means that for a typical bicep curl, I can do probably 15 pounds. So don't go for like 5 pounds if by the 20th rep you're like, this is, what are we doing? What'd you have for dinner last night? No, you want to be struggling on the last 3 reps. You should be like, I don't know if I can make it 3 more. I did it. Okay, 2 more. So that's what's going to get you there. You're trying to keep the muscle under tension for as long as you can, because essentially we are breaking down the muscle but still trying to keep it tight. So you don't want to lose all of your muscle. You just want to make it smaller and leaner. Okay, so this is going to be a series of supersets. We're going to go from biceps to triceps, back to biceps again, no rest. With this style of workout is no rest periods. No rest, girl.